Hi, welcome back. I wanted to spend a few minutes today and talk about fan sao, or replacing hands. But specifically, not just kind of like, oh, here's fan sao, I'm replacing my hands, or here's tanda, I'm replacing my hands, tanda, pakda, lapda, I'm replacing my hands. No. I wanted to talk about something a little bit nefarious, something a little bit sneaky that isn't inherently obvious when we talk about fan sao. And that is Boromonte for a sec. And that is when we play the chi sao. Okay, let's do this side. Playing the chi sao. So here's my bong, and my bong is protecting this space. What I'm going to do is replace this hand so that I can take a new line and keep my protection. So you can replace one technique with another. Let's come this way a little bit. Yeah, we can replace one technique. It feels to him like he's got there's some pressure here. I'm going to replace it with the same amount of pressure, and now I'm free to hit with this hand. So from his perspective, what he feels is like, oh, there's a hand there, and I have to punch with my right. So he's expecting something like this, or maybe some craziness. But what he's not expecting is for him to not be able to sense that all of a sudden my left is the one that can hit. So we're talking about replacing hands in a way that frees up the other hand for punching without him knowing it. So I can essentially replace my hands. And he doesn't get a read. I'm not crashing this so he immediately changes. What we're going to do is talk about how to replace the hands. He blocks this. He blocks that one. So my hands can replace. Thanks very much. So the hands can replace in a way that frees up the other hand for hitting without them knowing it. That's very useful. So I want, if you get a chance when you're playing your chi sao or playing your mai san jiang or your other fighting drills, go ahead and try this. And try to not let them know that the punching hand has changed. And just explore that a little bit and have some fun. That's all I wanted to say about replacing hands for this lesson. Once again, I thank you all for watching. I look forward to seeing you again. Until then, bye for now.